Hi guys, we have bought the car my dad owned in the 90s. He is going to absolutely love it. Let's go and surprise him. We have spent months and months trying to hunt down the actual car he had, and we finally did it.
This British father was in for the surprise of his life. He had no idea what his daughter had done.
Happy birthday, Dad!
Oh, thanks, babe.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Come with me.
At first, he did not realize it was his car. But it soon became clear he can't believe 30 years had passed.
It's yours. The car you owned in the 90s.
You're joking.
A true father-daughter moment that he will never forget. But there was one more twist.
There's someone else I want you to meet. This is who has been keeping your car looking so amazing for so long. He is the real hero.
Thank you so much.
Lanoguard, because rust protection matters.